Hi guys, it's Marielle and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be flipping through two new floral sticker books from the Happy Planner that are releasing tomorrow in their back to school release. So I have Teacher Florals and Fancy Florals. If you would like to see me flip through these and see my first impressions of these stickers, keep watching. Okay, let's flip through Teacher Florals first. Let's check that out first. I am so excited about new sticker books. You know, I have I've got a lot of stickers, I will admit. But look, when new ones come out, I can't resist. I can't resist. I'm really excited about that. I'm really excited that I got a bunch of sticker books, but there's still more on my list. So these sticker books go on sale tomorrow morning, Friday the 23rd at 9 a.m. Pacific time. So check that out and all the other back to school stuff. It's actually all up on the Happy Planner website as a preview right now, so you can go check that out now. And if you're going to shop, I'd appreciate it if you would use my affiliate link, which I will put in the description box of this video. Thank you very much. It helps a great deal. All right, let's get started. So I haven't looked at either of these sticker books yet because I like to look at it with you guys and you get my first reaction. And also I never look at flip throughs before I get the books because I like to be surprised. So I'm all about floral sticker books. You know that I am. Already I'm loving the color palette because we've got like this soft green, this orange, and like a darker pink and like a little bit of like a rust color, which is really nice. Ooh, and then purples, right? So we've got a lot of different colors here, and yellow. So kind heart, brave soul. What does that say? Fierce mind. Enjoy the little things. So I really like this size of a box, whether it's like the box you can write in or a decorative box, because you can kind of fit it anywhere. And you can combine it with like the longer box stickers. I really do enjoy this size a lot. So we get more of these, and this is different. So there's lots of colors in this book. Make a difference today. The world needs your magic. And then these really pretty to-do lists. So this is a teacher sticker book, but that does not mean you cannot use it. I have all the teacher and student sticker books and I use them all of the time. There are going to be some pages that maybe don't apply to you, and some stickers too that you can cut up and change it to be what you want. But a lot of it applies to just the regular person. So we've got even more colors here. Look at this green, just different shades than what we're used to with the Happy Planner. And these are all different. So cute. So cute. Ooh. So we've got a bunch of these smaller boxes with the floral background. And then this color. Oh my gosh, these are really cute. They're really cute. And these are super versatile. Really interesting color palette, actually. Ooh, I love that you've got like the blues and the greens and it goes, is that what happened here? No, that's different. But like, I love that it goes from dark to light blue and dark to light green. You can kind of combine them, you know, on the same spread. These are cool. So you've got 3 long lines to do whatever you want with. You could do like your priorities for the week. You could, I don't know, do 3 things you're grateful for, anything really. Your to-dos for the day. I love long box stickers. You know that I do. That says noted, that says jot it down. This says due date, but you don't have to use the due date. You can white that part out or whatever. It doesn't really matter, but yeah, these are great. I'm always looking for lots of long box stickers, especially yellow. This is awesome. Can we talk about these? I haven't seen these, but let's talk about them. These are on clear. These are on clear. These are gorgeous. They're watercolor. Love, 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 love these. And these. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just gorgeous. This is also clear sticker paper, but these are gold. They're like a matte gold. And then we have some, like in the teacher sticker books, we usually have pages of the holidays. So these are gold. Back to school, vacation day, spring break, party day, summer vacay, fun day, special project, training, that kind of thing. You can still use these if you're not a teacher for some of them. These are so pretty. These are so pretty, and they'll be so pretty combining them with boxes and layering. I love these. They're like little works of art. Look at them. You've got more in a different color. These are some to-do list check-off thingies, flags, I guess you could say. We have some checklists here. These say noted, check it off, and some like check marks. Faculty meeting, reschedule. You can definitely use these reschedule ones if you're not a teacher. Lesson plan. And those are on clear, I think, yes. So we have quiz today, test today, grading, class prep. But you know what? Okay, wait, let's see what how big these are. Okay, so they're circles. They're circles, but here's the good thing. So if we take off, see, you can make strips, you guys. You can cut strips this way in the middle. You can cut strips this way on the side. You can make washi out of this beautiful background pattern. And that is what I plan to do for sure. And combining it with some of the other stickers in the book, it's going to make the perfect spread. And look, you've got a bunch of it up here you can use and a bunch down here you can use. Perfect. Look at these. Oh my goodness. I really like this book. You can usually tell when I like really like a book and then when I just kind of like it. You know what I mean? Like I think you can really tell when I love a book. I love this book. It's just so different and pretty. I don't know. I like it. Never stop learning because life never stops teaching. You can use that if you're not a teacher. Do more of what makes you happy. Same thing. Dreams become goals when you plan. Bloom with grace. Yay for today. Teach from the heart. I think that the Happy Planner does include some like non-teachery stuff in the teacher books to appeal to a bigger crowd. I think that's what's happening here. And I like that because that makes me want the books. They do include some like teacher quotes, but they also include some that are more general. So I like that. All right, this is really cute. So that's Teacher Florals. Now let's check out Fancy Florals. I'm not as excited about this because I'm drawn to bright colors, but I know there are a lot of you who prefer like the neutrals, and this is going to be more neutral. So these boxes are a really interesting size. They're not like boxes that are going to fit the big Happy Planners like blocks. They're bigger than that. That's kind of interesting, actually. I'm trying to think what, the dashboard, maybe they would fit pretty, honestly, they'd fit in the big, like, I love the size. It's different than what we're used to, right? So, like, this is gonna, like, width-wise, it's gonna fit the blocks. I think in the big, probably. And that's awesome, because I can fill up, like, a lot of one day with these. I don't know. I almost want to take one out and try it and see. Let me just look. Wait. Okay, so I'm going to do that because I'm just curious as to like how it would fit a planner like this. Okay. All right. So it does like, it's not the exact width of the box. So maybe let me look at a classic. Hold up. It's coming. Okay, so it's bigger than that. But, like, I love these big stickers. These big stickers are, like, my jam. I love them because I can use them in so many different ways. So, like, this I'd probably put, like, over the line a little bit and then combine it with, like, a layer box on top or something. Ooh, I'm excited about these big stickers. And since I use a big Happy Planner, like, come on. I love big stickers. Okay. And I love this too. Like, I just love the different sizes. And I don't know exactly what size these are for. I probably should, being like a Happy Planner person, I probably should realize this. Maybe this is like a mini thing. But again, I'm going to use them in like my big happy planner and my classic even. And I love they give you like a little bit of like these bullet points at the top because there's extra room. Thank you, Happy Planner. That was considerate. Okay, so this color palette is really cool. We've got to do, love, appointment, read, this, errands. I didn't think I'd like the color palette, but it's kind of growing on me. So these are like little ones that have like the flipped look, you know, and they're for monthly. So we've got love this class, top 3, hello good times, plant smiles, grow laughter, harvest love. I like these colors. These are clear gold flowers. Ooh, look at these. These are also in clear. They're pretty. Different colors. More gold leaves, and then some of these other color leaves. So this is still unclear. So very busy, it says. Teaching is my jam. Sorry. So these ones are just like gold foil leaves and flowers on top of these really pretty colors, circles, and they are clear. Today's priorities. List 3 things you'd like to accomplish today. Same deal, but in gray. I appreciate a good gray sticker, by the way. This week's lessons. Plan it out. List lessons you'd like to implement below. And again, and I keep, sorry I keep saying it, but if you're not a teacher, like, take this and cut that off. Like, you can easily cut that off, and then you'll have that sticker, because I think that's really pretty. And up here, you can cut it here, right, where before it says plan it out. You could even, if you want, like, still use this part up here, you know what I mean? And even attach it if you want, but you can use this somewhere else. Like, I think that's really cool. So today was to read, favorite thing, this made me smile, to do. So those are generic. I love the color palette. I think it's interesting. So we've got some gold boxes here. And then these pretty colors. Some clear quotes. Wonderful, lovely. Be you, not them. I love the little quotes. I love when they put in like little bitty quotes, because sometimes when I'm filling out my planner during the week, I like to find little quotes to stick in a place that, because if you know me, I love a filled out planner, like completely like filled up. And sometimes there's like a little white space. It's like this big. And I'm like, what do I put there? So I really appreciate these little quotes, because I will throw those in there to like, as like a filler. And they're just really fun. So these are clear as well, a bunch of gold flowers, and then the flowers. I will say, like, okay, you guys know I'm not huge on gold foil. I do appreciate gold foil in a sticker with other stuff. I'm not huge on the ones that are by themselves gold. However, I know a lot of people love them. So I appreciate when they give me 2 pages and I get the colors as well, because I tend to like those better, unless I'm doing like a spread that has gold in it, which I do sometimes, but I appreciate that you get the colors as well. Look at these. Those are pretty. And just really soft, right? Ooh. More coming. In bigger sizes, yes. Love these. They're just soft. So pretty. Okay, so we have focus, track, assignments, details, goals, progress. What methods have succeeded? Where can I make improvements? So if you are a teacher, these are going to be really helpful for you, like little prompts throughout the book. Same thing. And then we have these, which are actually habit trackers, and I love this so much. So we have 5 little blocks for, because it's a teacher sticker book. So it's 5 days of the week, Monday through Friday. And you can use these for whatever you need. And they're good because they're going to fit in like little kind of skinny spaces in your planner. So love, love, love. Okay, that is it. I think these 2 sticker books are wonderful. I think they are. I really love them. They're different than what we're used to, which is always a good thing in my book. So let me know what you think in the comments below. And again, please use my affiliate link, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.